So hi, hello and welcome everyone, Microbehunter here, and a happy new year 2025 to all of you. Well, maybe you've also watched some of the fireworks last week. It's a tradition in some countries or in many countries around the world to shoot firework rockets up into the sky. And if there is not a nice centrally organized firework, then sometimes people in the area will buy fireworks. It depends a little bit on the legal situation in your country, of course. In any case, I also watched fireworks that were launched, and I decided, well, why not put a firework rocket under the microscope. It's something very different and very unique. I think nobody's done that before already. Indeed, this is basically what I found. I found some, believe it or not, cells. Can you believe this? How can it be that a firework rocket is made of cells? Well, of course, I put the wooden stick under the microscope, but that is really not the really exciting part. But there was actually one thing that really irritated me a little bit, is because when I cut open the firework, I found the so-called lift charge. It's the rocket motor. And this is where I have actually now a little bit of a criticism, and this is why I think I don't like fireworks quite as much as I used to like them. Because if you look at this lift charge here, the rocket motor, you're going to see that it's made of plastic. And this is, in my view, totally unnecessary. I've been making model rockets when I was a child. And I remember that those lift charges, those rocket motors, they could be bought, they were made of cardboard. Right? And now what we have is they put those plastic rocket motors into the fireworks, and then, yeah, they fall down. Obviously, the burned out fireworks fall down, and they're littering the area, and it's not biodegradable, right? The stick, the wooden stick, is of course biodegradable, so maybe after a couple of months or years, nothing's going to be left over. Also, the firework rocket itself is made of cardboard, but the lift charge itself is plastic, and I don't really like that so much. There can be many reasons why one might criticize fireworks. I mean, that's all very well documented. It's the noise, it's the danger of fire, injuries, and so on, air pollution. I get all of that, right? I'm going to just add this one additional thing here plastic is, I think, not something that should be in there. It doesn't matter right now for the sake of this video. I just wanted to also share with you simply the cells that I found in this wooden stick here. And this actually shows that all of the other parts of the firework rocket are actually made of biodegradable material in this case. Now, I also put the cardboard of the firework itself under the microscope, so I cut off a little piece here, and I looked at the inside here, and you can see that everything is covered in charcoal because of the burnt gunpowder that was in there, essentially what was not so interesting really to look at. But what you could also see here is you could also see that the cardboard itself is made of fibers, cardboard made of lots of cellulose as well. I hope it's recycled cardboard. Basically means that those rockets, pretty much everything will disappear after a couple of months in nature. It's just certainly not nice looking to have all of this trash lying around, so I think it's a good idea to collect them anyway. But it's those plastic lift charges that I think should be avoided, so I'm appealing to the manufacturers of fireworks to please not put plastic into firework rockets. And I think I'm just going to leave it at that. I know this video is a little bit different than some of the others that I'm making, but I just wanted to share this with you as well. I wish you all the best. Happy microbe hunting as always, and see you around next time. Bye-bye.